In 1989, following models set up by the National Office of LISC, Virginia Local Initiative Support Corporation was created by prominent business leaders and local community activists to provide financial, training, and technical assistance to community development corporations in Richmond. And since then, Virginia LISC has invested over $77 million into Virginia neighborhoods, resulting in over $385 million in total development.
It was a call from Mary Tyler Cheek, and she invited a bunch of folks from the business community to a luncheon, and Paul Grogan was down from the National LISC organization, and they asked for people that would be willing to serve on the board. We all raised our hands because you never turn down Mary Tyler Cheek. And during the course of that meeting, we discovered that LISC was working in other cities and building capacity amongst CDCs so that they could become effective at changing their neighborhoods.
By establishing dynamic partnerships with area community development corporations like the Better Housing Coalition, Elder Homes, Southside Community Development Corporation, Richmond Habitat for Humanity, and Virginia Supportive Housing, along with national organizations like the NFL and AmeriCorps Volunteers, Virginia LISC made significant differences in the quality of life for residents in the Richmond area.
The partnership started with LISC helping us to build our capacity to develop housing. They really helped take us to the next level, which has made a tremendous difference in the community.
They bring kind of national models that we may not be aware of that help us not have to recreate the wheel in the Richmond community. And they help show organizations and community leaders how to kind of connect the dots.
During the years, I think the resources that LISC has provided us has made us strong to our commitment today, and that is to go into these neighborhoods and make them thriving and provide the counseling service, bring people that want to be homeowners back into the city.
Transforming distressed neighborhoods by mobilizing corporate and private investor support has led to building and renovating affordable housing, creating green and community space, education services through libraries and development services, playing fields, health clinics, and child care facilities across the Commonwealth.
Anybody can remember what Carey Street looked like before Carey Mews. I think that was probably one of the first. The next one I remember was over in Church Hill, the Jefferson Mews, which it was a block of really a decay. At that time, there had never been any new investment. Banks had not lent money to anyone in Church Hill in over 50 years. And if you go over to Church Hill right now, you can see we created a perfect block and it just starts spreading.
The joy that you can bring to someone by doing something so fundamental as accessing your bathroom more easily or repairing a hole in the floor. Those are challenges that people confront that our services are able to provide the solution to something that's been a fundamental issue for someone on a daily basis. And then when that goes away, just opening the door and walking outside feels better.
Anybody that's ever had played a role in LISC can drive down Carey Street, or they can go to Church Hill, or they go down to Winchester Green and not feel like that they've been part of something that's made a difference in the quality of life.
I feel homeownership is a great investment for everyone. When you strengthen the communities, you're also strengthening the schools and all the structures of a community.
We look forward to the future partnerships and the leadership that we know that LISC will continue to provide the Richmond and our region.
Proud of the past, inspired by the future, Virginia LISC continues to connect communities to the resources they need to revitalize Central Virginia neighborhoods and create good places to work, do business, and raise families.